Sibongiseni. How old are you?
No, 28.
28. Uphuma ekhaya? Kwamashu. Hey, kwamashu kune-talent. There's so much talent there. So is this? Yeah.
Jay, do you know I've got a store there?
That was Basomis.
Yes! I've got a store.
Really, babe?
No, it's
No
my
wonder you're almost in
grandfather's.
Durban.
It's my grandfather.
That's amazing.
His name is Somizi.
So is this your first time on Idols?
No, it's not the first time.
It's not the first time.
Not the first time.
So you have experience.
A bit, yeah.
You need difference here this time around.
And what I'm going to be doing, I think I've just put more power to my voice because
Passion.
that's what I have.
Yeah. So, okay, this is not new for you. So I'm expecting something amazing. Are you ready?
Yeah, let me take a breath. We're going to be singing a song by John Legend. Stay with me. Stay with me.
Uteni.
What's it, Johnny Ginger, John Legend?
John Legend. Yeah, John Legend. Okay. We've been together for a while now. We're growing stronger every day now. It feels so good and there is no doubt. Yes, I will stay with you as each morning brings the sunrise and those flowers bloom in springtime. Oh, my loving, can you realize? Yes, I will stay with you. Yes, I will stay with you through the ups and the downs. Yes, I will stay with you when no one else is around. When the dark cloud arrives, I will stay by your side, 'cause I know we'll be alright if I stay with you. 'Cause I know we'll be alright if I stay with you, yeah.
Okay. I'm going to ask my fellow judges.